Okay, this is a first for me. Look at this. It's a Chinook helicopter. All right? I've actually flown in one of these many times. Well, not one this small. It was much bigger. These are awesome helicopters in real life. Look at that. Isn't that a cool helicopter? This was also reasonably priced. This is in the same price range as these other low-end helicopters that I'm sharing. Okay, my first impressions out of the box. It's pretty sturdy, and I'm impressed. Look at that. Kind of cool. And, yeah, I know, not only is it a coaxial helicopter, it's a double coaxial helicopter. But hey, that will make it easier to fly. The other thing I'm very impressed at, look at the bottom. It has a solid bottom. A lot of these Chinook helicopters that you will see will be open on the bottom. Now, this is another one of those helicopters that the battery is in it, and it has an on and off switch. All the helicopters that have the batteries built into them will have an on and off switch. All right, let's see how this flies, and this is going to be interesting because I have never flown a Chinook helicopter.
Beameister 22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.